In this presentation, we're going to talk about how you can get collagen from your food. Some foods include collagen, as the protein collagen, and some foods include the amino acids that are used for collagen synthesis. By eating foods that contain collagen or collagen amino acids, you supply the building blocks for the formation of collagen. Collagen is a so-called polypeptide, which means a long chain of amino acids. And when it comes to collagen, it contains of as many as 1,500 amino acids in total. Collagen contains 19 different amino acids, but the most abundant are glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. The main amino acids in collagen, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, contribute to 50% of all total amino acids in collagen. Collagen, like I said, consists of 19 different amino acids, but some examples of the other amino acids are arginine, glutamic acid, and lysine. When we eat foods or supplements that contain proteins that are made up of these amino acids, the proteins are first broken down into the individual amino acids, and then they are taken up by the gut. These amino acids are then transported to different sites of the body where new collagen is needed. So it might not be the skin. You can't really decide if it's going to be formed in the skin. You might need some collagen in your joints or in your bone or other tissues where it's most needed. So one thing that is important to know is that when you eat collagen and collagen amino acids, it's not a guarantee that it's going to be made as collagen in the skin. But by providing the collagen and the collagen amino acids, you increase the chances of the collagen being formed in your skin because you reduce the risk of a collagen deficiency around the body. Foods from animals are good sources of collagen. So-called bovine collagen is essentially cartilage from beef. This collagen is very similar to the collagen that we have in our bodies, and it contains good amounts of both type 1 and type 3 collagen. These are the main components of skin, hair, nails, gums, blood vessels, and other structures in the body. Bovine collagen is rich in the amino acid glycine, so if you make bone broth from beef sources, you will get bovine collagen. Chicken and turkey cartilage, skin, and other parts, such as legs, contain a good amount of collagen. Marine collagen is collagen from seafood, especially bones, skin, and shellfish ligaments. Sardines are a good source of collagen. You may have heard the expression from nose to tail, and this is good to think about this when it comes to collagen. Because during our evolution, humans have always eaten the whole animal that we caught in the wild. So the parts of the animals that contain the most collagen is actually not the muscles of the animals that we normally eat in our modern diet. It's the other parts of the animals that contain the most collagen. That means the parts of the animals that contain, like the skin, the tendons, bones, and cartilage, as well as organ meats, gelatin, broth, and when you slow cook meat with these parts still in them, like the tendons, cartilage, and bones, for example, you extract the collagen from these parts. So, in our modern diet, today, we eat mostly meat consisting of the animal's muscles, and we get rid of all the other parts like the skin, tendons, bones, and cartilage. But if we really want to increase the intake of collagen through a diet, you need to try maybe eating some organ meats, gelatin, make your bone broth, or try slow cooking these meat parts that include the most collagen. Collagen consists of different amino acids, like I said earlier, but mostly it's made up by glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These amino acids are found mainly in intestinal foods and also in large quantities in gelatin. And gelatin is a form of collagen found in some foods, and it's also used by the food industry, and it's kind of a halfway broken down collagen. Glycine is the amino acid that is most abundant in the collagen structure, and it makes up 1/3 of the collagen. Glycine is found specifically in gelatin, bone broth, chicken skin, fish, meat, and egg whites. Some examples of foods that contain a smaller amount of glycine are legumes, so your beans and peas, lentils, peanuts, and dairy products. The amino acid proline is important for tissue repair. You'll find proline in liver, meat, egg whites, bone broth, and seafood, and in smaller amounts in dairy, legumes, avocados, and nuts. The amino acid hydroxyproline is made up of lysine and proline. The only source of the amino acid hydroxyproline is in collagen. So you can't get hydroxyproline from any other source than collagen from food. So sources of hydroxyproline is sources that mentioned earlier that are high in collagen, but specifically in turkey and chicken skin and in bacon. What about vegan and vegetarian diets? Well, the collagen protein is only found as a whole protein in animal sources. You can, however, get the different amino acids that make collagen from vegetable sources as well as dairy. The sources of the amino acids in vegetable sources like lentils or legumes, for example, is not the same ratio as in animal sources. So it might be a bit more difficult for the body to build protein and the protein collagen, and you need to make sure you get enough of the amino acids to provide the whole range of collagen that you need throughout the body, not just the skin. If you choose to eat a vegan or vegetarian diet and want to improve your skin health by increasing your skin's collagen, you may want to consider a collagen supplement. We'll talk more about different kinds of supplements in the next lesson.